Attend all orientation sessions. Orientation sessions provide valuable information about college resources, academic expectations, and support services. Attend all scheduled sessions to get a comprehensive overview of your college life. Get to know your professors. Establishing a good rapport with your professors can be beneficial. Attend office hours, ask questions, and participate in class discussions to show your interest and dedication. Build a study schedule. Create a study schedule that includes dedicated time for coursework, assignments, and exam preparation. Consistency is key to academic success. Utilize college resources. Niagara College offers various resources, such as libraries, academic advisors, and tutoring centers. Take advantage of these resources when you need assistance with your studies. Join student clubs. Getting involved in student clubs or organizations is a great way to meet new people and engage in extracurricular activities. It also helps you develop leadership skills. Explore work opportunities. Understand the rules and regulations regarding work permits for international students. Seek part-time job opportunities on or off campus to gain Canadian work experience. Network with peers. Networking with classmates and fellow international students can lead to valuable connections. Attend social events, join study groups, and collaborate on projects. Manage your finances. Create a budget to manage your finances effectively. Track your expenses, save money where possible, and make use of student discounts. Embrace Canadian culture. Immerse yourself in Canadian culture by attending local events, trying new foods, and exploring the region. This cultural immersion enhances your overall experience. Stay informed about immigration. Stay up to date with immigration rules and regulations. Make sure your study permit and visa are valid. Consult with the International Student Office for guidance. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Prioritize your physical and mental health. Eat well, exercise regularly, and seek support from college counselors if needed. Plan for post-graduation. Think about your post-graduation plans early. Research options for postgraduate work permits and explore potential career paths. Seek scholarships. Look for scholarships and bursaries offered by the college or external organizations. Apply for those that align with your qualifications and goals. Stay organized. Keep your documents, assignments, and important dates organized. Use planners or digital tools to manage your schedule efficiently. Embrace challenges. Challenges are opportunities for growth. Embrace them with a positive mindset and a willingness to learn. Seek help when needed, and don't be afraid to ask for support from professors or college staff.